Welcome to the new homepage of Vertical Response, intuitively designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your account activity at a glance. Our first feature, Sent Messages by Type, showcases a donut chart illustrating the distribution of all messages you've sent over the last 12 months, segregated by type. This includes emails, subject AB messages, email automations, and social posts. For more focused insights, you can click on individual items within the chart to filter the data accordingly. Shifting your attention to the right, you'll find a concise representation of the total emails dispatched month by month over the last 12 months up to the current month. Next, we have the contact segmentation chart. Here, you can see the total number of your contacts, as well as the breakdown into mailable contacts and unconfirmed contacts. This data can assist you in understanding and managing your contacts more effectively. Within the Tables section, you'll find a table representing the 5 most recently sent email campaigns from your account. Each of these emails comes with relevant statistics such as the number of sent count, open percentage, click percentage, bounce rate, and unsubscribe percentage. To delve deeper into the analytics for each email, simply click on the View Full Report button. As you scroll down to Draft Emails, you'll be greeted by your most recent drafts. Choose which ones you like to edit and finalize with a simple click, or kickstart the creation of a new one. Finally, the Email Lists table will display the All Contacts list and up to 4 custom contact lists that you've set up. For a detailed examination of these lists or to create a new one, just click on the respective button. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to this brief video. We're confident that you'll find our new homepage incredibly useful.